All right, section 7.4 is on special right triangles. We're going to talk about the 30-60-90s and 45-45-90s. So the 45-45-90, since each of the legs are equal, we know that the hypotenuse is going to be a value of radical 2 times the leg. I like to say in a 45-45-90, the sides are in the ratio of 1 to 1 to radical 2. And so that means we know if the A is 4, then the hypotenuse would be 4 times radical 2. If the A is radical 3, then the hypotenuse would be radical 3 times radical 2, or radical 6. Alright, so here's an example of how to use the idea that we have a 45-45-90. If we know that the hypotenuse is 15, and we know that the right triangle is 45-45-90, then we can simply find the x by saying the sides are in the ratio of 1 to 1 to radical 2. To get from the hypotenuse to one of the other sides, all we have to do is divide by radical 2. So we'll take that 15 and we'll divide that by radical 2. And the hard part about this one too, again, is we're going to have to remember how to simplify our radical expressions. Since we're not allowed to have a radical in the denominator, and we have 15 over radical 2, we're going to have to multiply this 15 over radical 2 by radical 2 over radical 2. When we multiply by radical 2 over radical 2, we're going to get 15 radical 2 over 2.